Three virgin room. This is where all the virgins are little boys.
Two now.
They never specified D6, so it's okay. My little boy butthole is okay.
What's the point of going up?
Ah, my glasses.
If they're still virgins?
You go up there. It's
That's
kind
it.
of like the Catholic Church. You go and you sodomize a little boy.
Get a good grooving.
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
Sucks, don't it?
Yeah, it does.
Who the fuck put it there?
I did.
Why would you put it there?
Because I did.
On the A shot? Now you fucked up.
You
done fucked up now. You done pissed me off. Where's the knife? I don't have a fucking knife on me. Oh, yeah. Can I grab it? Yeah, bring a knife brought up? Yeah. Sorry.
we ready to play?
How dare you? What the hell?
So hot. Come back.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just fine. They understand.
It's fine, they get it.
I'm pretty sure everyone here passed their drink.
Listen,
I did.
retards, alright?
Thanks.
No, I had my other job, which is fucking scary. Alright, I would not fly a plane.
You want another piece of X in there?
Actually, just give me a... After I left, that session is so stupid. He starts sprinting at you. Yeah, you have to cut around the...
You guys understand what color you're going for?
Blue.
Red. I got it right? Stupid. Stupid. Wait. What? Yeah, fuck that.
Everyone's good.
So the key idea is first team to get all three wins. Game's over. You guys ready?
Guys, I got one.
Wait, run that by me
Everyone
again.
back to your spawn!
Yo, run that by me again.
You gotta get those sticks, bring them back to your spawn. Once you get all three, there's one on their side, of course it's right there. One's in the middle of the field, and one's on their side.
Oh, okay.
But yo, there's a
We're still waiting on a few people.
I know, they told us to start the game.
Alright.
What? Yellow is red.
Yellow, red, green, blue, purplish, reddish. I don't know why they brought cupcakes out, but they're pretty cool.
I want cupcakes.
That confused me so much.
I want cupcakes.
Yo, that confused me though so much. I'm like, what? Dude, they actually made cupcakes?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. I don't own this place. Why would I know? I don't work here. I just play airsoft.
Wait, who's here?
Voltic right?
Yeah.
Well, middle right, go to right.
Come with me then.
I'll
And then
come
we'll try
with
to
you.
push our way up to the right.
I'll come with you.
last person up, grab that mic. Shot nut.
Is that the beginning or?
Oh, okay. Well,
I don't give it to you if you didn't know. I don't want to yell at
I didn't hear that rule. Sorry. Oh, fuck. Yeah, friendly. Oh, sorry, man. What? Who's Charlie?
Are we enforcing safety kills? Yes,
No.
no. Not enforcing safety kills.
Fuck safety. Alright, we're filming.
Hey guys, this is Stars and Stripes.
Wait, what was that thing you posted where they all died or something?
No, here's the thing. The duffel blog is basically the military's version of the Onion.
Oh.
So it's all fake. It's just like all satire.
Oh my god.
What is the game type?
Let's do this! One pistol man.
You're giving our position away.
You motherfucker.
Move it up.
Shut up, Ariel.
Potatoes.
Yo, someone watch
I did that.
Watch that hallway. Watch that hallway. That little gap over there. Fuck. Contact. You see the light over there?
No.
Lock us.
Is that
Right there, right?
in the room?
Yo!
Yeah.
Kyle, is that our guy in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's our guy. That's green, that's green.
Good job.
Is this on YouTube?
Shut up.
YouTube.
YouTube.
No way.
My motherfucker, get out of cover.
Down. Push up and fucking hold down that bridge.
Yeah.
Alright?
You want me to run through?
As I'm pushing, follow me, okay?
Yeah.
No, push from that door.
Yeah, sure.
Changing!
How do I know your reps?
Yeah, refs, you guys gotta wear orange shit.
Bright neon. Where? What is that? Sorry. Nice try, man. Ah, you motherfucker.
Yellow team has won. The game is now team deathmatch. Go!
Oh yeah, I forgot. I only have one pistol mag.
Double spec. Yo, what? Hit that corner, right? Ariel, don't worry about that side. That's fenced off. Fenced off.
Hit! Nice job, man. Damn, we did good.
I couldn't see shit, dude.
Same here. Fist pump. High
I
five.
don't know who shot him. Yo, who got him? Who shot him?
I think I got him. Don't worry about it. But it was like
I couldn't tell if it was ricochet or it was actually hitting me.
Nah, mine was a direct hit. Let's see. Where do you see him?
Yo, Paul, you got cover? You got me cover fire,
Pull back, reloading. Wait, no, that was a ricochet. Fuck that. Again, was that a you know, whatever, fuck it, I'll just call it this.
He's like right here. I'm over this. Fuck no. Boom. Trying to get a pistol kill. Didn't work out too well.
I got a pistol kill. Tons of them.
Alright, watch out, guys. Get down, get down, get down.
Moving up, watch out. Hit! Oh shit. Oh, sorry, man. Scared the shit out of me. Got behind the cover. You saw him? Loading! Oh, sorry. Any contacts?
He's on the right. He's on the crotch.
Oh, yeah. Paul! Come over here, where we last were. Hit! Yeah. Look at that. Paul! Need help? Hit! Red light's not on.
Don't tell me it died. Probably died.
Hold on, wait. There we go. Hold on. It's on camera mode. You're good. Hey guys, what's good? Shine. Don't be that guy. We GoPro users have to stick together.
What?
We GoPro users have to stick together. What?
Guys, over here.
Suck it. Wow, this is like the rape dungeon.
What?
This place. Rape dungeon.
Anybody want to bend over?
You're gonna bend over.
Any volunteers?
What's that?
Any volunteers?
Three.
Here, Kurt.
Ooh, where does this hole go?
Where?
Let's go to the Connor Road.
Dude, I love how big this place is. So roomy.
Really?
Whose mag is that?
It's Paul.
Hey!
Paul?
Alright, there's two guys that are hiding on the field. We have to find them, capture them, say capture. They can shoot you.
assholes, like, you know, this is fucking saving.
Aerial drop anyway.
Whatever, here's just a body bag anyway. I'm just kidding. He's cool.
Once you capture them, they can't shoot. But can they run?
No, you have to tell them. We're gonna do this. How many do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yo, 3 teams of 3s.
Alright. Yo, Paul! Paul! You and me? Alright, watch out.
One more. Come on, come on.
Alright, boy two.
Guys, just keep pushing. It's 2 guys. All right, speed and violence of action. Go.
Sorry, man.
He's down, Joe.
You can't grab me, but I'm just gonna move. I got you first. Let's go.
Don't grab. We're not allowed to grab.
Alright, come on. This way.
You're going the wrong way.
Oh, wait, where are we supposed to go?
To that building over there.
Oh. Straight. Yeah. Yo!
I'll follow you.
Yo, guys! This is the guy we got. We have to bring it to what building?
That base.
That base over there. Behind the cage?
Yeah, behind the cage.
Yo, give me covering fire! Yo, guys! Hey! Come on! Head! Put your heads on your asses! What the hell? Come on, guys! Retards. Come on, I worked hard to get that fucking guy.
What the hell are we supposed to do?
Take that guy to the base over there.
I thought this base.
No, not that base. The base behind the cage. Now we lost him.
What's about breakdown communication?
Oh, come on. Guys,
Okay.
come on, I got the guys like 3 times.
The problem is it's always solo catchers.
Yeah.
So we gotta do it in fucking teams.
Alright.
You choose on the right side. Move in! Move in! Take him to the base! Take him to the base! Over there! Alright, let's go. Guys, running wrong way. Fugitive, running the wrong way.
Game? Hit! Do you have eyes? You have eyes on him?
Yeah, I'm marking him.
Yeah, I know the other one.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Is he in this building?
He's right there.
That's weird.